My name is Taylor Leege, and I'm a dry stone wall builder. So what dry stone walling or dry stone building is just building using stone without the use of mortar, hence dry. There's a lot of these that I have had to hammer on. With this one here, it's a pretty nice stone, but it has this really weird chunk on here I'm gonna try to get rid of. So I would chisel this just to remove this high spot and make sure this stone is gonna sit better. You do that to achieve a better fit. So I'm doing this to make it easier for building and to make them as useful as possible. And the safety glasses are very important anytime you're hammering. Try to support it with my feet. I'm going to follow a little bit of a crack that I already see here with it and start with some nice light taps. And just like that, I've got a useful piece that I can use in the wall. And I've also created a much flatter surface. But what I still have left is this other little weird high spot, and I have this smaller chisel that I'll use to get rid of that. It's good to start with just light taps at first. And there we go. Now I've got a fairly flat surface that'll work. And now I have more options when I want to try to use this in the wall. Another good thing about doing this is then you're constantly generating those small pieces that you need to either shim a stone or fill up some of those gaps that you've created behind the face stones on a wall.